I'm right clicking on my taskbar, opening Task Manager, selecting Performance, selecting Memory, and here as you can see my current RAM cache is almost 6 GB or 6 GB. Now I'll show you how you can easily clear your RAM memory cache file. So go to your preferred browser and search for RAM map and open this first link, RAM map Microsoft. In here you have to click on download RAM map. Once it's downloaded, go to your file explorer, go to download, unzip the RAM map, open RAM map, and here you'll find rammap.exe file. Launch this rammap.exe, click on yes, and here we can see the RAM map successfully launched on my PC. Now I'm opening my task manager in this left hand side, and here's the RAM map. So you can see my current RAM cached file is 5.5 GB. To clear this, all you have to need, click on empty and click on empty standby list. And as you can see, I've successfully cleared my RAM cached file, and now cached file is only 186 MB. So this is how you can actually do it. Thanks for watching.